Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to read S.M.A.R.T attributes for any type of storage device, whether it's a hard disk drive, solid-state drive, or the latest NVMe drives. First, a quick background. HDDs are traditional spinning drives, slower but used for bulk storage. SSDs are faster because they use flash memory. And then we have NVMe drives, which are the fastest, running on the PCIe interface for high-speed performance. Now, monitoring the health of these drives is very important, and that's where S.M.A.R.T self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology comes in. This built-in feature tracks the health, performance, and reliability of your drive. Reading these values can help you detect problems early and protect your data. For this example, we are looking at a 1 TB Crucial NVMe Gen4 drive. Let's go through the important attributes shown in the S.M.A.R.T data. Critical warning tells if the drive has encountered any serious issues. Composite temperature shows the drive's operating temperature. Available spare indicates how much reserve capacity is available, while available spare threshold is the minimum safe limit. Percentage used shows how much of the drive's lifespan has been consumed. Moving to usage statistics, data units read and data units written give you an idea of how much total data has been read and written. Host read commands and host write commands show how many times the system has asked the drive to perform read or write operations. Performance-related values include controller busy time, power cycles, and power on hours, which help you understand how long the drive has been in use and how many times it has been powered on. Reliability indicators include unsafe shutdowns, which happen if the system loses power suddenly, media and data integrity errors and error information log entries, which will show if the drive has faced any data corruption or hardware issues. Finally, temperature history is tracked through warning composite temperature time and critical composite temperature time, showing if the drive has ever overheated, and temperature sensors, which provide real-time temperature readings. Overall, if all of these values are normal, it means your drive is healthy and performing as expected. That's how you can read and understand S.M.A.R.T attributes for any HDD, SSD, or NVMe drive. Always monitor these values regularly to keep your data safe. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.